In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Zoho CRM, your ultimate guide for 2025. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or just looking to refine how you organize your contacts, this step-by-step guide will make sure you manage your contacts with precision and ease. So let's dive right in and discover how you can create tags to better categorize and search your data. First things first, head over to Zoho CRM by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Access Zoho CRM. This will take you straight to your CRM dashboard. Here, you can manage all your customer relationship data. If you're not logged in, be sure to input your credentials and log in. Once you're on the CRM homepage, your journey to more organized data begins. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate over to the Contacts tab. You'll find this in the top navigation bar. Clicking on Contacts will bring you to a list of all the individuals and organizations you're connected with. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this space as it's where you'll be doing most of your tagging. Next, you'll want to select the specific contact you'd like to categorize with a tag. Simply search for the contact or browse through your list until you find the correct entry. Once you've located the contact, click on their name to open their detailed view. In the contact's detail view, you'll see various options to interact with their data. Look for the Add Tags option, which is generally located towards the top or in a prominent place on the page. Clicking this will prompt a small input box where you can type in your desired tags. Think about what tags will be most useful in your CRM. Tags can be categories such as lead, prospect, client, or more specific terms tailored to your business's needs. Type these tags into the input field. Remember, the goal is to make your data easily searchable and filterable. After you've input your tags, you might notice an option to choose a color. This is a handy feature to visually distinguish your tags. By assigning different colors, you can enhance the recognizability of your tags and make your contact data pop with visual cues. Once you've added your tags and chosen your colors, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save or New Tag Notes button to finalize your efforts. Clicking Save ensures that all your tags are set and ready to be utilized within Zoho CRM. And there you have it. You've successfully added tags to a contact in Zoho CRM, making your data more organized and easier to manage. With this feature, sorting and filtering through your contacts becomes quicker and more efficient. We hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your CRM skills. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.